prevent machine downtime is one of the most problematic issues in the manufacturing process. Machine breakdown causing us disruption in our electronics manufacturing process. It reduces the capacity of production, it damages the quality of the products. All in all, it significantly increases the cost of our manufacturing process. Using the quality line solution, we will be able to integrate with any of your data sources, including the data from your machines, the sensors that are sitting on the machines to create the ability for preventive and predictive maintenance. The entire data will be collected in real time to a digital twin database, and then our AI algorithms will start analyzing the data to create prediction algorithms and other analytics capabilities to significantly reduce downtime of your machines. Once we finish the integration process, you will get from us a very detailed and comprehensive visualization with dashboards. This dashboard will reflect to you the situation in your manufacturing process related to your overall equipment efficiency. You will get detailed analysis on the operation time and production time versus the idle time of your machine. You will also get from us indication about deviation from the required time of setting of every product in every machine. When you click here, you will get root cause analysis of the problems that are causing the break of the machines, and also will provide you with prediction algorithms that will predict to you when the machine will be down, and specifically also for what reason. So you are welcome to contact us, and we will create this project for you. Have a great day.